Hey guys, it's Jasmine. Welcome back. I'm here to do another fun video with you guys. Um, I was running out of ideas. Like when I tell you I'm trying to come up with stuff for you guys to learn, and I'm just like, wow, I cannot figure it out. But then I started thinking about what we were learning before we went on break, and I remember us talking about rain and water and what it does to help the earth, and also I did the water cycle. I hope you guys saw that video. So we did the water cycle video, and I feel like that kind of ties into this a little bit. But anyways, I just want to talk about water and why it's so important for the earth to have. Like you guys already know, because I remember us doing like a reading assignment, and I remember grading them. I was reading on one of your papers like why water is important, and most of you put that life on earth couldn't survive without it, which is very true. Everything that's living needs water to survive. Even the cactus, who barely gets water in the middle of the desert, needs the water to survive. Everything needs water, like I said. And so today I just wanted to show you about rain and how that works, and why rain is important. Because if rain doesn't fall, then the grass won't grow, trees won't have anything to grow off of. If water is just very important in a lot of different ways. So I just wanted to do this little cloud thing with you guys. So what we're going to need for this little experiment is a glass of water, some food coloring of your choice, and you can use shaving cream, but I can find any at the store. Oh, and you can get all this stuff at your local Dollar Tree. It's $1. Everything in there is $1, so that's a cheaper way to go. And I couldn't find any shaving cream, so I'm going to use mousse for your hair as a substitute. I hope it works the same. I feel like it will. So basically what you'll do is get your glass, fill it with some water, but not all the way up, because you still need room for the shaving cream, in my case the mousse. And so you're just going to shake it up, and you're going to just make a cloud. Whoa, see that? All right, so the mousse is supposed to represent the cloud, and the water drops are supposed to represent the food coloring is supposed to represent the raindrops. Now, it is, raindrops are like just water vapor, and they just come together. Because I don't know if you guys remember about precipitation, but that is when water falls from clouds down to the ground, sometimes into the ocean. In the water cycle, I explained what it was and how, it's interchangeable, and it is a cycle because it just goes from the ocean into the air, back to the clouds, and all around like that. So you pour your cloud in a bottle into your cup, and then you get your water, your food coloring, and you drop it on top. Maybe I poured a little bit too much, but it should. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna wipe some off the top. All right, that's better. And then I'm just gonna add another color for the aesthetics. I use blue and red, so maybe it will turn purple, maybe it won't. It should. The parts that touch should turn purple. But the other separate. I'm gonna add a couple more drops so you guys can start to see results on your end. Okay. So soon you should see it start to, I don't see it on, oh, there it goes. Yeah, you see it falling from the cloud. That's just a representation of the raindrops falling from the cloud. And there are 3 types. Actually, I think there's 4, or there might be 3. I did try to research this before I got on here, but I think I just forgot. But I remember the names. There's a stratus cloud, because you guys know about what I'm talking about, because I remember on the worksheet that we did. So there's a stratus cloud, a cumulus cloud, and a nimbus cloud. And they're all responsible for most of the precipitation that we get from rain. And they're all able to produce rain and snow. So the rain water vapors, they just sit in the cloud until there's so many raindrops in there that I don't want to say bust, but busts, and then it just falls from the sky. And that's how we have rain. And here's like a representation of that. You can kind of see that the water it's not just blue, it's like a dark purple, and it's because I put both the red and the blue in there. But yep, that's it. So yeah, I just wanted to show you a representation of how water droplets come from the clouds and why water is so important to us and why we need it in our everyday life. We need it to drink, to take showers. I don't think anybody goes a day without using water in some type of way. And if you can think of any, you can comment those below for me. But I think this is a really cool experiment and that you guys should try it. I think the shaving cream might work a little bit better just because like I don't think it's as dense as the mousse, because mousse is really for your hair. It's for your hair. And make sure that you guys wear gloves, safety goggles if you need to, and have a parent around when you're doing this experiment, because food coloring can get very messy, as you can see, because it's all on my fingers and they might be stained, so I might have to keep this on here for like a couple of days. But I mean, I don't mind. I don't have much going on. But you guys make sure you're safe and you have a parent and guardian with you when you try this. But it's really cool to see like the water droplets. I mean, the food coloring falling here, my water droplets. The food coloring represented the water droplets, and the mousse represented the cloud, just to reiterate that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this experiment, and I really hope that you try it at home. I hope you have a great day. I just want to let you guys know again that I miss you, and I hope you're all safe and doing well. Later.